guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I haven't been posting a lot in a while because I had a lot of work to do. So I decided I'm a little behind on my videos. I have to post a whole another one, which will probably be ready in about a week most. Because, it's the weekend. And yeah, it's also going to be educational because as you see, it's school time, it's educational time. These will help you learn. So today has a math video. We're doing subtracting integers with models. Okay, here's the key if you don't remember. So we're doing counters first, like always. So we have -4 minus -2. So step 1 would be to model the first number. The first number is -4, so you put 4 negative counters. Step 2 is to subtract the second number. So -2, you gotta subtract 2 negatives from 4 negatives. Okay, and then step 3 is to solve. So your answer is -2 if you count these. Okay, -6 minus -3 equals blank. Step 1, model the first number, right here. Step 2, subtract the second number. 3 negatives, so you subtract 6 negatives. Step 3, solve. 3 over here, negatives left, so your answer would be -3. 6 minus -2 equals blank. Step 1 is to model the first number, but I've read the question. I've modeled my 6 counters, but when I read the question, there's 2 negatives I have to get out of there. How will I do that if I only have positives? Well, you're going to add 2 0 pairs so that you have 2 negative counters over here. Now, you can do step 2. Subtract the second number. I have 2 negative circles, so I can subtract those out. Step 3 is to solve, so I count the rest and I get 8. Step 1. Model the first number. So this one's equation 7 minus -3. Same problem as the last question. I only have positives. I have no negatives. So, to get to step 2, we're going to add 3 0 pairs. And I know I put this in a weird way by accident, but it's supposed to be like this. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Step 2 is to subtract the second number. We subtract 3 negatives out. Step 3, solve. There's 10 counters left that are positive. Now we are going to do number lines. So we have 1 minus 4 equals blank. So we're going to go 1 to the right because it's positive. And we're taking away 4 from this. We're going to go all the way left, -4 to get to -3. So your answer will be -3. Here we go, -1 minus 4. So I'll go to the left once to get -1. And you're going to go 4 more over there. So there's, okay, that's a typo. I don't know why I did that. Don't mind that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, then your answer will be -5. 3 minus 5 equals blank. So 3 to the right. And then you're going to go back over here to -2, which is your answer. Subtracting integers with the algorithm. Now, what is the algorithm? Algorithm. Why did I mess up that? Okay, algorithm. Well, it's basically additive reverse. Now, what is additive reverse? Well, that's basically flipping it using KFC. I'll show you what KFC is. So I made a grid. It took a lot of work. But I made the grid with questions inside. There was originally 12 I was thinking of, but I'm like, that's too much, so I'm going to do 6. So, 9 minus 6, pretty easy. That's 3. We don't have to do any algorithm for that. But 7 minus -3. Okay, so there's an algorithm instead of modeling, because like I said, you're not going to model things for your whole entire life. So, you will do a keep, flip, change, KFC. Really easy to remember. So the first step is keep the 7, which is the first number, so keep the first number the same, as I did. Next is flip. You flip the subtraction sign to an addition sign. Step 3 is change. We have -3 over here, but over here we're going to put 3. We're going to change it into its opposite. Okay? So then if you do 7 plus 3, which is really easy, but we also know how to add integers, so that'll give you 10. If you don't understand, there's 4 more questions for you to understand. If you still don't understand, then I'm sorry. -11 minus 5. Again, can't do that, so we're going to do keep the 11, -11 the same, the first number. Flip your minus sign or your subtraction sign to an addition sign and flip from this to its opposite. So 5's opposite is -5. Now -11 plus -5, we know the adding integers give me -16. So your answer would be -16. This minus sign is hard to see, so you can't see. The answer is also going to be down here at the same time. Now you have 4 minus 7. So, to this one, keep the first number the same. Flip the minus sign to an addition sign. and flip this one, change this one to its opposite, which will give you 4 plus -7. I forgot to put parentheses there, but I hope you understand. So 4 plus -7, we all know that that is -3. And again, if you don't know how to do this, watch my adding integers videos first and come back here. 1 minus -9. Keep the first number the same. Flip this minus sign to an addition sign and change it to its opposite, which will be 1 plus 9. Easy 10. These both are 10 instead of coincidence. -5 minus 8. Keep the first number the same. Flip minus sign to addition sign and change this one to its opposite. -8's opposite is 8. So add this up. You get 3. So, subtracting into the algorithm, we have just one question, and then we're going to be done. Which expression has a value of -27? So we're going to do A first. -16 minus -11. Keep flip change, KFC, or keep change flip. Doesn't really matter with the change and flip. So for that one, we're going to do, this is not just pointing to -11, it's pointing to the whole equation, just so you know. So keep the first one the same, flip this, opposites. -16 plus 11 is our new equation. If we add that up, we're going to get -5. So this does not give you a value of -27, so that's not our answer. B is is 19 minus 18. We already know 19, the first number, flip, change, would be 19 plus -18, which will give you 1. That's your answer. Now you could also just do this in your head. It will give you 1. So, but using keep flip change algorithm doesn't really matter. So this doesn't give you the correct answer. So that's an X. We have C, -13 minus -14. Keep flip change will give you -13 plus -14. Answer that, you get -27. And this is correct. We automatically know this one isn't, but if you were to do the keep flip change for this, it would be 25 plus 2, which will give you 27, which is not -27, it's +27, so that would not be your answer. So that's all for this video. I try to keep it as short and quick as possible, as you guys saw. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something for this. Watch my ELA plot mountain, my math adding integers, my science compounds, and wait for about a week for my next one, which will be multiplying and dividing integers. That's just a cute little hint. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye!